Hello everyone. Today I am making this video about Wi-Fi connection, internet connection. How you can check if your laptop or PC is connected to the internet. Here we go. Here you can see Google Chrome. Open it and type here something and try to open it. Let's see no internet we can see. And second, from here we can check. Here we go. You can see not connected, connections are available. Here it is, connections are available, not connected. You can see the world icon, so click on it only one time, then you can see all networks. So click on the one yours Wi-Fi and internet connection, so connect automatically will be remain tick and connect. Enter your password. Here we go. It's verifying and connecting, or it's connected. You can see the icon world is gone and now this icon is come, and here also Google gonna start work. So this is very simple and easy way to how to connect the Wi-Fi. Hope this video will become useful to you if you are new on Windows 10. Thank you.